Hello and welcome to the Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. I am National Weather Service meteorologist Mark Laniers. In this briefing, we'll focus on the potential for severe thunderstorms on Sunday, November 23rd. A strengthening low-pressure system will track from Oklahoma into Missouri on Sunday. Ahead of this surface low, there is a warm front that will lift northward and move into parts of central Alabama after sunrise. There is moist and unstable air south of this warm front, but it will have some difficulty shifting northward due to the persistent east and southeast flow north of the warm front. Additionally, there is cooler and drier air in this area. Rain falling into this cooler air can also make it much more difficult for this front to lift northward. This will all have a bearing on how much area actually is under threat for severe weather. This system will be a little bit different from most that we've seen recently in that there is a dry line that will move across the area and not a cold front. This dry line will have widespread showers and thunderstorms that develop out ahead of it. What exactly is a dry line? It's like a cold front in that it acts as a lifting mechanism for thunderstorms to develop, but instead of dry and cold air behind it, there's only dry air. In fact, as this dry line moves through on Sunday, temperatures behind it will probably jump up into the 70s. The severe weather window appears to be as early as 7 a.m. Sunday morning, lasting until about 4 p.m. Sunday afternoon. The greatest threat areas remain generally the same across the southern parts of central Alabama, in the highlighted red, but please remember to be prepared if you are anywhere near this red shaded area, even areas as far north as I-20. The greatest threats appear to be damaging winds at this time. Isolated tornadoes are also possible. Large hail and heavy rainfall may occur, but will remain a lesser threat at this time. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible from Saturday night through Sunday with the entire system, so ponding of water may be a concern. Fallen leaves could aggravate the issue and cause additional ponding in poor drainage areas. There are still uncertainties with this system as to how much instability will surge northward and how far north this instability will get. Both a stable easterly flow across central Alabama on Saturday and Saturday night and the expected widespread rainfall will make the required instability difficult to attain and push northward by the time the dry line gets here. Therefore, there still are multiple factors involved here, so please check back for the latest forecast updates. With a chance of severe weather in the forecast, now is the time to review your severe weather safety plans. You may not have much time to seek shelter once a warning is issued. If you have a NOAA weather radio, check to make sure it's working properly with good batteries. Always strive to have multiple ways of receiving warnings and severe weather information in general. There are multiple ways to follow us and the weather information that we provide through social media, including YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you have any additional questions about the forecast specifics, you can call and speak with a forecaster at 205-664-3010. Thanks for viewing this briefing and have a great day.